Alrighty. Alrighty then. So, the C601. What's cool about this device?
Yeah,
Out the gate?
What is cool?
It's the little flip top.
To me, the flip top's cool, but it's also not cool.
Why is that, Nate? Why is the flip top not cool?
Because look at this. If you want to make it farther, you gotta fucking...
You gotta force it. What were they thinking with this? The flip top?
I don't know. I really don't know.
This is meant for people who are like on the go, active. Obviously, you're vaping because you're fit. You're not smoking any cigarettes. So you clip it on your shirt just like that. And now when you go to hit it, you gotta unflip it and you flip it just a little bit away around. And it's
in your way. It's just
in your way.
Like what?
Aggressive.
How am I supposed to hold this? How?
Exactly. It should flip all the way around.
Doing this over and over again eventually is gonna fuck up the plastic, and you know that's the big glaring flaw to this device. It's got one issue, so.
And it pisses me off.
Yeah, I mean that it's got one big issue.
Yes, and that's that. And you know what? Hey, kudos to you guys because you put a clip on a vape, and putting a clip on a vape in my book is aces. But if you do a shit job of putting a clip on a vape, then fuck you, because that was actually bad. I don't like that.
So no kudos to you.
Yeah, fuck you. Seriously.
No. Knock it off. Knock it off. All right, so here's what I have to say about the hit quality.
Tell me about it.
It's a little bit less than good. Does that make sense? Just like watch. That's a little pussy ass cloud.
It sucks. It pisses me off because when I hit my salt nick, I do it so I can get a little nick buzz. I don't know about you.
And if I can't get a buzz if I'm getting a quarter of what I get off a fucking JUUL.
Exactly, a JUUL.
Yeah, if a JUUL can beat it in the hit wise, like if a JUUL can beat it,
then you're messing up somewhere. Okay. What's cool about this, right? All right. I like the finish on it. It's grippy. It's nice in your hand. The clip, hey, you know what? That's a good idea because a lot of people don't put a clip on a vape. Maybe next time, make it work. And then for the actual hitting, it's weak. I mean, first of all, you gotta press a button. This vape does not feel like it should have a button. Fuck the button. Get rid of the button.
See, some vapes, like you saw our recent video about the Aspire Breeze 2, and you have to press a button for that. That vape, although we complain about it, it still feels like a device where you would have to press a button.
Yes, it's big.
This one, in your hand, you would never think,
look at this.
I need to press it.
If I got it on my finger like this, and I go to hit it, I would have a boner. But you gotta press a button, and then it's like, fuck that.
The button is in the worst, like, it's just in the most concealed spot. Like, every time I hand this to somebody, like, here, hit this, they're gonna... What the fuck? It's dead. It's just so concealed. Like you just think that it's part of the clip, you know?
Yeah, you gotta get rid of that.
I don't know. I think I would like this device a hell of a lot better if there was no clip on it.
Right.
But I still like clips, so like that's saying something.
Overall,
it does the job.
It does the job, but I wouldn't buy it. Thanks for watching.
If you want to buy it,
check out the link in the description. Down below. No, we're the fucking Vape Boys, so remember to smash that subscribe button, hit a like, and drop us a comment.
And get ready, because we're fucking flooding your feed with
We'll be here every single fucking day.
No, we won't, but pretty fucking often. So.
That's right. Well, hey, till next time, guys, take care.
Take care. Thanks for watching. Make sure
Peace out.